Hello, what's up guys? In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a integrator using LM741 operational amplifier in Proteus. Before we move forward, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting the latest update. Now let's begin. You can follow my cursor. First we click on the P for the selection of component. We required LM741. You can say operational amplifier, resistor, capacitor, now let's start the circuit. Place here. Select capacitor. Place resistor here and one resistor here. Now we require a DC source for providing voltage to the amplifier. Here we connect with the pin number 7 and here we connect with the pin number 4. Here we select plus 15 volt and here we select minus 15 volt. Here we select minus 15 volt. At the input we connect the signal generator. Here you can select the signal generator. Now you are able to provide any type of wave to the input. You can provide a sine wave or a square wave or a triangular wave as you want. Here I am connecting this pin to the ground. And here I am connecting the oscilloscope to the output. And also connect the oscilloscope to the input. Basically the purpose of integrator is to convert a square wave to a triangular wave. In this lecture we will prove this how this circuit convert square wave to the triangular wave. We will see in oscilloscope. Set the value here. Here I am selecting 100K and here I am selecting 1 billion. 1 mega, sorry, 1 mega. And here I am selecting 0.1 microfarad. Now I will run this circuit. You can follow my cursor. It is the control of function generator. I am just adjusting. You should follow my cursor. Here you can see the light of sine wave is on, but we need a square wave to the input. For getting the square wave to the input, we press the waveform icon. Here you can see, you can follow my cursor. Here you can see uh, here you can see the waveform icon. Press it until you select the square wave. Here you can see the light of square wave is on. It means the square wave is going to the input. And now you adjust the wave at the output. From here you can follow my cursor. And here you can see input wave is square wave, and output wave is a triangular wave. So the basically purpose of integrator, and as I described earlier, is to convert a square wave to a triangular wave. Here I conclude this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.